If Chrome has been acting slow, showing strange redirects, or just not working the way it should, resetting it back to default settings can be one of the fastest ways to fix the problem. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset Google Chrome to default settings, step by step, so you can get a clean, fresh browser again. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder depending on your device. Once Chrome is open, you're ready to get to the settings area where the reset options are located. Now, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you'll find all of the browser controls and settings options. From that menu, click Settings. Chrome will open a new settings page where you can adjust everything from privacy to appearance to advanced browser tools. On the left-hand side of the settings page, scroll down until you find Reset Settings, then click it. This section is specifically designed for troubleshooting and restoring Chrome when something goes wrong. If you've been dealing with browser problems, slow performance, extension issues, redirects, or broken settings, this is the area you want. Next, click Restore Settings to their original defaults. Chrome will show you a confirmation window so you can review what will happen before anything is changed. This is an important step because resetting Chrome will restore several items back to their original state, including your startup page, new tab page, search engine, pinned tabs, extensions, and temporary data. When you're ready, click Reset Settings to confirm. Chrome will now begin the reset process. It may take a moment, but once it's complete, your browser will be restored to its default configuration. That means many of the changes that may have been causing issues will be removed, and Chrome should feel much cleaner and more stable. After the reset is finished, take a moment to test Chrome. Open a new tab, check your search engine, and make sure the browser is behaving normally again. If you had extensions causing issues, you may need to add only the ones you trust back one at a time. That way, you can keep Chrome running smoothly without bringing back the same problem. And that's it. You now know how to reset Google Chrome to default settings in just a few simple steps. This is a great fix when you want to troubleshoot browser issues without spending a lot of time changing settings one by one. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful software and browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.